Many gods lived on Mount Olympus, but among them were the 12 most powerful and important gods. Let me tell you about these gods. The first is Zeus. Zeus was the king of the gods and possessed the greatest power of all. He ruled Mount Olympus and was the god of the sky, thunder, and justice. Do you remember how he fell in love with Danae, who was locked away in a tower, and came to her as a golden cloud? He was also the father of Perseus. There are many fascinating stories about Zeus. I will share them with you one by one. The second is Hera. Hera was the sister and also the wife of Zeus. She was the queen of the gods and the most powerful among the Olympian goddesses. She was the goddess of women, marriage, and childbirth. Zeus and Hera had several children, including Hephaestus, the god of blacksmiths, Ares, the god of war, Eileithyia, the goddess of childbirth, and Hebe, the goddess of youth. The third is Poseidon. He was the god of the sea and one of the most powerful Olympian gods. There is also a famous story about Poseidon and Medusa. He was also the god of earthquakes and was said to have created horses. The fourth is Hestia. Hestia was the goddess of the hearth, fire, and home. She later gave up her seat among the 12 Olympians. Her place was taken by Dionysus, the god of wine, grapes, celebration, and joy. The fifth is Apollo. Apollo was the god of the sun, reason, and prophecy. The sixth is Artemis. Artemis is the goddess of hunting, virginity, and the moon. She is Apollo's twin. Don't forget Zeus, Hera, Poseidon, Hestia, Dionysus, Apollo, and Artemis, the gods I taught you about today. I'll tell you about the other 6 next time.